Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to reshape elements in Canva using the latest 2025 features. Step 1. Open Canva and upload or create your design. This could be an image, a shape, or even a text box that you want to reshape. Step 2. Click on the element you want to adjust. If it is a shape, you will see little white handles around the edges. Step 3. Drag the handles to resize or stretch. For example, you can make a square into a rectangle or change a circle into an oval just by pulling the sides. Step 4. For more control, look for the Edit Shape option in the top toolbar. Canva now lets you adjust points on the shape itself, which gives you extra flexibility to reshape objects in creative ways. Step 5. If you are working with text, select the text box and drag the corners to reshape the box. Canva will automatically adjust how the text flows inside. Finally, preview your design and export it once you are happy with the new shape. And that is it. With Canva 2025, reshaping elements is quick and easy, giving you more freedom to customize your designs. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Canva features you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.